Sanibonani, welcome back to a video. Welcome back to Mkosina Pilinya Bangakul for coming. So please kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it as well as watching them ads. Okay. So guys, kule video ngizothanda ukuthi ngikhulume ngoMpumelelo Mseleku because I'm seeing a particular story that is I think it just came now, even though you might be watching the video tomorrow, okay? So, Lady Londi, who has a channel, Umkosi Entertainment, on this platform, she also has a Facebook page. I think it says Lady Londi. So, Umkosi Entertainment, she's talking about, she got an email from a particular someone who stays in Mzumbe, Mhlawumbe, and then that lady was telling Lady Londi ukuthi something happened laphana kaMseleku eMzumbe. It's like there's an intruder who came, and then an intruder, I do not know, allegedly was looking for Ubaba Mseleku, and then wangamthola kuBaba Mseleku, that particular intruder who was armed, according to the person talking to Lady Londi. If I'm not going to read the screenshots, I'm going to put them on my screen for you, because Nzowathataka Lady Londi, so that you can see what I'm talking about, so that you don't say I'm lying, because I see a lot of people saying, guys, this is lies, this is false information. But now, if the lady sent that to Lady Londi, naeti angazi, but this is what I know, it happened. So Lady London, she's saying, guys, this is the information that I'm getting, so I do not know if it's true or not. You know what I mean? So the particular intruder comes looking for Ubaba Mseleku, and then now Mpumelelo, and then I do not know, happens to see the intruder, kwabakhona ukulwa, something like that. Since they're saying the intruder ube ephethe isibhamu, kwasho ukuthi Mpumelelo manje ke ngoba kuthiwa the intruder went to Mayeni's house. Ufike laphana kaMayeni lo muntu ongaziwa okuthiwa allegedly is from ka wife number 5. So I do not know ukuthi ngwasendaweni yaka wife number 5 or ngwakuwo straight ukubo ka wife number 5, something like that. Weza ke efuna uMseleku ethi ikuphi le njengoMseleku, something like that. Okay, I'm sorry to say, but this is what was said. Ufike wathi ukuphi lo muntu ongumseleku wambiza nge. Okay, so now Umpumelelo ke, since phela ngomntana kaMayeni, I guess, then fights with lo muntu lona balwa, kwasho ukuthi uyabaleka lo bhuti, the so called lo muntu oshonile, ngoba kuthi ushonile allegedly. So kuthi Umpumelelo ke umdubulile allegedly 4 times imabesho wase uyadlula emhlabeni. Okay, lona daba enduthola laphana mambuka ivideo ka Lady Londi. So I do not know how true it is, kodwa ke lona daba enduthola ukuthi Umpumelelo kuthi usedubula umuntu laphana, and loyo muntu loyo usedlulile emhlabeni. Kodwa ke I think it was self defense, ngoba phela makufika iintruder efika futhi ephethe isibhamu, sekumele wena wenze njani, get your own, mawungabe unaso uzilwele nawe. So Umpumelelo had to fight, ngoba kuthiwa ke lo muntu ufike efuna Ubaba Mseleku, washo ukuthi akamficanga, wafica ke mhlamba aboMpumelelo, because the lady was saying, I do not know if udutshulwe ngulwandle or udutshulwe ngumpumelelo, but wasezwakala ethi ngathi kuthiwa kudubule uMpumelelo. Sedubule loyo muntu, and kwaba ne-picture laphana ebonisa abantu bemile nje, I think indawo yesigameko, something like that. So angizazi ukuthi zi-accurate kangakanani lezi ndaba bafowethu, but this is what is going on now. People are talking about how Umpumelelo kuthiwa ke have unalived someone, but that was an intruder. So nalo daba ke ukuthi manje kuthiwa lo muntu usuka ka wife number 5. Now ubuzile Lady Londi kulo sisi ukuthi njengoba efika nje efuna le njengoMseleku from ka wife number 5, is it an ex mhlambe? I-ex ka Samke Khwela, omhlambe ngwasemndenini, omhlambe like efuna uMseleku ngaleyo ndlela, for what reason? Ubefike ephethe isibhamu ezofuna Ubaba Mseleku, for what reason? So there were speculations ukuthi mhlambe i-ex-boyfriend mhlambe kaSamke Khwela isinokuthukuthela ukuthi nangu sekashade kaMseleku, mhlambe sikhona esinye isizathu Nkosi yami, ngoba yonke into is just alleged. So angilwazi lolu daba lukaMpumelelo Mseleku nale intruder leyo bafowethu, kodwa ngizwile kuthiwa ke uMpumelelo uselaphana wadubula umuntu washona, but phela bekuyi self defense, ngoba ufike nje lo muntu wavele wagulukudela laphana ephethe isibhamu, kwasho ukuthi Umpumelelo naye uyothatha esakhe. allegedly obviously ukhona unaso umpumelelo isibhamu ngoba phela I think kuthiwe kwathiwa une security company. Obviously mine security company kushuthi izinto unazo. That is what I'm gonna assume at this particular moment. So ngizwa nje nginokuphatheka kabi Nkosi yami ngoba phela mangabe udubula umuntu wadlule emhlabeni angazi kuzokwenzekani ngompumelelo mangabe lezi ndaba ziyiqiniso. Angazi kuzokwenzekani ngompumelelo bafethu mhlambe bazothi self defense mhlambe or kuzothiwani sengizovuka kusasa bafethu nginiphostela le video. I'm sure ngizoyiposta kusasa ekuseni ngeke ngiyiposte namhlanje sekusebusuku already. Just ukuthi ngithe mangisibona lesi story ngangafuna ukuthi ngijahe ngikhulume ngaso bengisafuna ukubona ukuthi how true it is. So ngiyabona a lot of people have spoken about it. Sengiyasho ngithi hayibo mhlambe kuyiqiniso nje ngempela bafethu but uLady Londi yena ube ne proof ye conversation yakhe naloyo sisi loyo ukuthi othe ungasendaweni yasemzumbe. So utshela uLady Londi ukuthi hey ntombazane nansi indaba la sekwenzeke into esoso la emzumbe. Umpumelelo ngathi kuthiwa usedubula umuntu lo muntu kodwa ubefuna ubaba wakhe ufike nje ethi hey iphile njengomseleku kwaba khona umpumelelo kwaba khona ukulwa. I'm sure obviously makungena umuntu ngakini nawe uzomhlasela phela awuzukumana ume nje kwasho ukuthi mebaleka umpumelelo wathatha ke into zakhe wavele washaya ukuthi 4 times angazi waswe ushonile loyo muntu bese esithombeni yabona kukhona ngathi kunamaphoyisa laphiyana whatever is happening there. Should iqiniso lonke sesizolithola kusasa bafowethu. Sengiyasho nje ukuthi ithi angini update mina ke nalama screenshot engikwazile ukwathatha ka Lady Londi ngizowalahlela la ukuze nibone ukuthi iconversation ka Lady Londi naloyo muntu othe ungwasendaweni yangale bebekukhulumisana kanjani. uLady Londi embuza ukuthi hayibo girl ingabe le ndaba iqiniso lingakanani naye phela ezama ukubuza imibuzo ukwenzela ukuthi engapublish into engamanga something like that. Wasembuza ukuthi pho ke njengoba engathi ungakasamke is it a possibility mhlambe i-ex kasamke or mhlambe hey Nkosi yami kuningi okwenzeka lapha emzumbe and mangizwa ngathi kuthiwa le ndaba yenzeke Friday and namhlanje it's Sunday wena kuzobusubuka le video yami on a Monday. So shuthi lolu daba lwenzeke Friday beloko lungakakhulunywa until namhlanje nje khona soluzwa namhlanje kuntambama kunjena bafowethu kuthiwa kunendaba eyenzeke emzumbe kwadubule kumuntu kodwa ubezohlasela phela loyo muntu kwasho ukuthi bayamshaya ke ngesibhamu waseyashona. Allegedly everything is alleged. So kushuthi kusasa senzoba ne video mangabe sengizitholile indaba ezipheleleyo mangabe ziphumile ukuthi what exactly happened lapha nemzumbe. Ngabe umpumelelo ngempela umdubulelo umuntu nguye ngempela umpumelelo washona nokuthi nje manje sokuzokwenzekani ngompumelelo Nkosi yami guys ngeke sikwazi ukungabi nompumelelo. Guys ngama fans othando nesithembu ngeke sikwazi ukuthi ama members kaMsele kuashode like sekuthiwa nangomuntu evelele inkinga useboshiwe or anything like that. So ngizwa nginokukhathazeka kakhulu ngompumelelo bafowethu. I know it was self defense anyway. Ubefikile kaMsele kezohlasela kwasho ukuthi bakwazi ukumkhulela right. Let's hope ukuthi kuzobe self defense bafowethu mangabe ke udaba olunjalo lwenzekile because wow right now I'm like condolences to the deceased this family mangabe kukhona kumuntu oshonile kuleyo ndawo sidlulisa ke amazwi enduduzo Nkosi yami ngoba phela akekho umuntu odeserve ukushona kodwa mangabe naye ubeyohlasela guys bese kumele kwenze njalo ngoba phela umuntu onjalo ongena ezohlasela ephethe isibhamu mangabe ungasamshaya wena ngesakho that means yena uzoshaya wena uzoshona. So that's why ngithi mhlambe amaphoyisa azo self defense noma kuzothiwani ngompumelelo wenkosi kodwa ke lokho akusho ukuthi angizwelani nalo shonile nanomndeni wakhe abashonelwe. You know what I mean? So angilwazi lonke udaba lokwenzeke lapha nabafethu ngithatha udaba ka Lady Londi ngibonile ke nama colleagues wami sebekhulumile ngalo Mamgobhozi TV nabo Zichisa Bay Entertainment. You know what Ontando Mdleje sengasho mhlambe yenzekile le ndaba awuthi nje sikhulume ngayo kwenza ukuthi kusasa ke masivuka sibe sesinesiqiniseko sokuthi mhlambe kuzoba khona okuvelayo ukuthi hayi guys lolu daba kuthiwa lunje. You know what I mean? Bese mangabe mhlambe likhona iphutha bese siyaqondisa ke from what we have posted because what we've posted is what we've got, right? So ngiyazwelana nabo on whatever happened there bafethu ngiyazwelana nabo kakhulu. Let's hope angazi Jehova mdimi angazi kwenzekani but anyways tomorrow ngizoba nenye video to make sure ukuthi ngenza ama corrections mangabe kumele ngenze ama corrections somewhere. Thank you so much ukuthi ibuka video. All the best to them Mselekus. Asibonge nokuthi baba uMsamseleku uyewatholakala ngekho ngoba kunjena nje asazi ukuthi mangabe uyewatholakala khona lapha kamayeni ukuthiwa leyo umuntu bengene kamayeni ngabe kwenzekeni nkosi yami, kuningi nje engikucabanga at this particular moment. I'm very sad for them Selekus, but anyways asibonane kusasa ke sizokhuluma kwividiyo elandelayo. Bye.